Welcome to my vlog. So ngayon guys ay meron kaming pupuntahan. So pupunta kami guys doon sa christening ng aking nephew. So kasama ko is syempre yung aking wife and the family.
So this is what I'm talking about guys. Nandito na kami sa christening ng aking nephew. Kung saan bumiyahe kami ng 1 hour para makapunta lang dito. Pero worth it naman yung aming pagpunta. And good news, nakaabot kami ng early. Then when we arrived, syempre tumulong kami sa mga pag-arrange ng mga souvenirs and also other things. Ikinabit namin yung curtains and then inarrange namin yung tables and chairs para organize na when visitor comes. Then after namin sa pagtulong, syempre attend kami ng mass. Kasi dito guys sa church na napuntahan namin, it's fiesta. And after mass guys, start na ng baptism. Ayan, nagkasama ko yung aking wife and cousins. So, buti na lang at maganda yung panahon pero medyo mainit lang. Then, after a while guys, natapos na yung mass and magsa-start na yung baptism. So, ginagather pa dyan yung mga babies na bibinyagan. Before anything, shout out sa aking mga cousins. So, ayan mga guys at nag-start na yung binyagan. And I think this is my third time na umattend ng binyag. And there's my cute little niece at ang gwapo kong nephew. And after ng pictorial, ayan at pumunta na kami ng venue kung saan i-held yung christening. And majority of the visitors are my family. Ayan, so shout out sa aking mga family. Syempre di naman pahuli yung gwapong chinito. O diba? Akala nyo kayo lang may exposure ha? Before we started the program, syempre dapat meron munang pictorial. This will serve as our memories and at the same time our remembrance with each other. So nagpictorial kami kasi good mood pa yung baby. Syempre di pa huli yung narrator, of course. Ako talaga yung naunang magpa-picture. So ito naman yung pictures na na-take kanina sa binyagan. Ayan, happy family! Then after doon sa simbahan, syempre may doon din sa venue. Ayan yung mga pictures na na-take namin. So, medyo marami-rami siya kasi it's family from side to side and also the godparents. And after ng pictorial, syempre kumain and we arrive early at our home. And meron pa kaming pa-take out na pagkain and syempre souvenirs. So that's all guys and see you on my next vlog.